Hello, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into exclamations. If you're learning English at AB1 level, this episode is just right for you. Exclamations are words or short phrases that express strong emotions, such as surprise, excitement, happiness, or even frustration. They help add feeling and emphasis to what we're saying, bringing a natural and lively tone to our conversations. Some common exclamations you'll hear are wow, oh no, great, awesome, and ouch. Let's look at a few examples. If you see something amazing, you might say, wow, that's incredible. Here, wow shows surprise and admiration. If you drop something, you might say, oops, I didn't mean to do that. In oh no, I forgot my keys, the exclamation oh no expresses worry or frustration. And if someone does something impressive, you might say, great job. Exclamations like these make our language more expressive and help us convey our feelings quickly and naturally. In everyday conversations, exclamations come up all the time. Think about moments when you might say, yay, it's the weekend, or ouch, that hurts. Exclamations add personality and energy to our interactions, making them sound more genuine and lively. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps other English learners find our show. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.